Senator JV, what can we expect next year when you're better, of course, and out of hospital? Because this has been persisting for the last couple of years. As you know, everybody's social circle, someone's affected, di ba? But how do we get people to really, come out and, kumbaga, share their experience? Because a lot of the small businessmen are really, really afraid na babalikan sila.
That's another reason na walang
Yeah.
investments di ba? Kasi, can you
Yung
imagine?
foreign chambers are complaining. Yeah, Sass is right.
Well, that's the real challenge right now. We are some people who have sent us emails about their narrating their accounts, and we're trying to convince them to put it in affidavit form. As you know, this will be really a challenge because naturally businessmen, especially
Takot.
those in the
Takot
small
sila.
takot talaga sila, no? Nobody would really dare fight BIR. Kahit takot ako sa BIR even my colleagues. When we first when I first brought this up during the budget hearing of the Department of Finance, at first nobody wanted to talk, but I just had to bring it up because, as you mentioned, ladies, it's really alarming because the the EU ambassador, other ambassadors, the American, European chambers have already complained that even their investors, no, yung pong mga businessmen nila, their members, have already complained that they themselves are victimized by BIR through the LOA. So just have to bring this up, and hopefully this time, sabi ko nga what is really alarming is the culture of corruption. Parang gubrabe na.
Parang lahat wala nang ahensyang malinis.
Sa LOA kasi, for example, 1 million kayo nag-negotiate. Nakakalungkot doon. 200,000 or 300,000 lang yung resibo. So, saan napupunta yung 700,000? Sana kung baliktad man lang, masakit man sa loob. But, it has really become so, the culture of corruption, this really has to stop.